India as it stands as we see of now. So good morning ladies and gentlemen. The today's topic for my lecturate is Indo and Israel relations. So as we see, India being a diplomatic nation, it has maintained its ties with many countries and many countries in a very good manner. Like from the previous times, it has maintained relationship with countries, it has strengthened its ties, it had maintained trade relationship with countries, and it has always talked about the diplomatic ties with nations. So as the present scenario we see what is going on in the world. You all know that Middle East war is going on in the world. Israel, Iran and USA are fighting a war, and that is impacting the whole world. But as we see that India is a diplomatic country, it does not particularly support a particular nation. And we see in the Russia-Ukraine war, we see in many other wars, and even now in this Israel, USA and Iran war, it is not particularly supporting a country because it has maintained its ties with all the countries equally, and it has strengthened its ties in economic ways, in trade ways. So India maintains its relationship with Israel as it imports and exports, and it imports and exports. It deals in defense supplies, and we have seen that how Israel and India have maintained a very good relationship from previous times. India and Israel do not have any conflict. India has a little conflicts with some countries, but we have seen that India has maintained a constant relationship with Israel, and Israel has supported India in many stances, and India has also given their support in matters where Israel is not where Israel is being discriminated, or where Israel is not getting a voice. So as we see, India always supports the nations. Even we have seen the Southeast nations, India always supports the nations that do not get a voice, that do not get a chance to speak. Even in UN we see that India supports nations that do not have their own voice, because we have seen in UN only 5 countries, the dominant countries, get their voice, and only they can speak on they have the veto power, only they get the power to speak on the opinions, and only they have the opinions. So even there we see that India supports those nations. Similarly, it supports Israel in the matters of Israel in matters where it needs to be supported, and India has always followed this policy. And in my view, in conclusion, I would like to say that India is maintaining like how the India is maintaining a non-alignment policy. I think that is a very great policy, because it has maintained a very decent diplomatic tie, strengthening its ties with nations, importing, exporting, and this has been a trend. And I think India should continue this, and I think we can prosper and we can maintain good relationship with countries, and we can move ahead. So thank you.